Welcome to CADDVerse. In this video, we are going to start Sketcher Exercise 2nd. So let's start. So I'm starting with circle. So we'll make 2 circles. Now we'll define dimension of the circle. One is 60 diameter. And I want to give a radius for this. So we'll just change this to radius and making radius to 35. Now we'll take profile tool, we'll make a line and we'll just make horizontal line and one more vertical line till inside circle. Trimming the extra line. Now we'll mirror this in other side. So we'll go to mirror tool, select the object to mirror and select the axis. Now we'll define the distances. We'll take constraint, defining this total distance is 18. We'll define this between distance is 5. Now we're defining the height from the origin, from this point to this point, total height is 62. Now sometime what happened, like if your diagram moves, you can make it normal again, clicking on normal to option. Now I'll draw one line from the lower side, then horizontal line, vertical and horizontal. I'll make till mid. Now we'll define this will be 5 radius. And we'll trim the line from here and we'll defining the total height from the origin. This is 105 and we'll define the distance between these 2 lines is 10. I'm putting one more fillet at this corner, defining radius value of 16. Now we'll select it and mirror it other side. Now we're defining the distance between both the object to be 40 and we're defining the total distance from this point to this point is 120. Now we're going to trim the circle. We'll take trim command and we'll trim the circle and we'll do trimming here as well and here also. So this is how we have completed Sketcher Exercise 2nd. See you in the next video with the 3rd exercise. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.